Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Walnut Grove local and long-distance movers near me. Is it time to find and hire the right cheap Walnut Grove moving company for your local or long-distance move? 3 Movers offers the best services to help make your move easier and faster. We offer affordable rates for all our services, no matter how far you need to go. Our movers have helped families, businesses, veterans, students, and anybody else move. Get the right long-distance moving services by hiring us. We offer the following options: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. If you're ready to get the right moving services for your long-distance move, we are ready to help you. Our team will put you first throughout the entire process. We can ensure you get the best moving experience. There are plenty of reasons to hire a Canada moving company for your local move. With the best options, you'll get the help you need. If you're trying to keep from doing any heavy lifting, hiring professional movers makes a difference. 3 Movers gives you the help you need when you want to move. We make the process so easy that you can settle in without feeling drained of energy or time. A move that might take you 3 days, we do in a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Walnut Grove moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.